Dear students, today we discuss related to professional ethics introduction. What do you mean by ethics? Ethics is a systematic principles. It is derived from Greek word ethos, which means customs. In this ethics, a study of characteristics of moral and all the characteristics of moral principles based on what is right and what is wrong. Based on the predictive values and predictive principle, predictive moral activities. Why is called the term as ethics? In this word, ethics is derived from Greek word that is that means ethos, that is characters, and from Latin word which means that is which word moves and customs. The legal context, ethics defines how the individuals choose to interact with one another. This is predict based on this moral behavioral characters. Some of the examples of ethics related to the work. There are three examples given in this introduction part. First one is work ethics include it is based on the punctuality. It is arrived on time entering in this your workplace or organization or entering in your profession. And the second one is the examples of accountability. It is accountability, it means all the responsibility based on your work, taking responsibility related to the without mistake. It is comes under the accountability. Teamwork. Teamwork, it is work related to our colleagues and work related to your employees. Effective manner will lead your group. That is teamwork. It is comes under the one of the examples of work ethics. Here, some of the ethical terms, ethical words, how to, in this ethical positive manner, we are working all the areas. It is lot of examples given in this slides. First one is integrity and moral and principles, honesty, right, fairness, responsibility, concise, choice, honor, and values. These are the terms, ethical terms, normally used in all the area workplaces or generally and society used in this moral ethical words of this professional ethics. There are different types of ethics is there. That is personal ethics, business ethics, engineering ethics, medical ethics, legal ethics, accounting ethics. Here are some of the few examples given in this type of ethics. Personal ethics. Each and every persons have different ethical characters, and based on the cultures, based on the beliefs, based on the society responsibilities, they are using individual. Each character is different one from another. This is the behavior. What is it is depends on the what is right and what is wrong, and it is depends on the some of the behavioral. It is like in this food or in this food not like. These are the manner. Then personal ethics behave to each and individual, every individuals. Business ethics, it is comes under the some of the ethics rules and regulations and vision, missions, objectives based on some of the business. We are started for the business ethics and engineering ethics. It is designed engineering, re-engineering, redesigned design and related to the some of the materialized. These are the concept based on the engineering ethics and medical ethics. In this different, definitely some of the experiments. There are certain principles followed in this medical ethics. Legal, it is registered, comes under the Companies Act and the Consumer Protection Act and some of the Industrial Disputes Act and Factors Act. Lot of act and legal related. They are registered in their company procedures, policies. These are the concept comes under the legal and ethics and accounting ethics. Certain principles. The validation of profit and loss. That base they are measuring in this types of ethics comes under the some of the certain examples given by the professional, different profession. Um, there are some principles of engineering ethics related to the engineering, especially professional ethics in this paper explained related to the engineering students, undergraduate students. So there are seven principles followed comes under the engineering ethics. So first one is integrity and responsibility, objectivity, fairness, confidentiality, and honesty and truthfulness. These are the characters already discussed in this the previous slides, and also here some of the integrity, responsibility. This is the sincere manner they are working. It is take each and everyone responsible. Objective they set for the objectives, and fair manner they are treated to the employees, and confidentiality, genuinity, and honesty and truth of that particular designing and thing, everything it's a proper manner. So these are the concept comes under the um, seven principles of engineering ethics. Then next a small one topic is inquiry. Here, normally the inquiry is different perspective they are discussed. In this inquiry, that is the investigation based, they are divided into three steps, three types. Clear, it is one of the inquiry uh, purely based on the investigation. It should resolve the following investigation. How to the investigation? So in this inquiry divided into three aspects: normative inquiry, conceptual inquiry, and factual or descriptive inquiry. So in this normative inquiry, conceptual inquiry, factual descriptive inquiry, different aspects they are designed in this types of inquiry. First one is normative inquiries. In this inquiry, it is based on the most helpful to the individuals and based on the taking decision purpose used in this normative inquiry. Certain kind of examples given in this normative inquiry. Uh, First one is how do the obligation of engineers protect to the public safety given by some of the certain situations. It is based on the they are analyzed what are the problems is there and what dangers the employees. Normally, the engineers design particular design making to the public advantage base they are producing or they are inventing. These are the aspect they are inquiry did that already the background analysis. Where are the laws and organizational procedures that affect to the engineering practice and moral issues? How to in this moral rights and essential engineers fulfill their professional obligation? How to what work they are choosing that particular area of designing or did that particular activities, then automatically the obligation is creating that particular aspects in this obligation to ensure how to complete that particular project or work. Yeah, it is a effective one. That is the normative inquiry. Then the conceptual inquiry, it is based on the conceptual inquiry, only describing the concepts, principles, and issues related to the engineering ethics. Principles according to the moral rules and regulations. It is purely the organization or some of the companies based on their using. These inquiries explain whether concepts and ideas express a single word of by or by basis. Here the conceptual inquiry only based on the particular area. It is vision or mission statement of the company and also the concepts and principles of the company based on that is established in this conceptual inquiry. Here are some of the few examples of conceptual inquiry. What is the safety and how is it related to the risk? Here, some of the manufacturing company and some of the electronic device they are producing or inventing company. First, they are concentrate to the safety. It is comes related to the comes under the risk. How to how to procuring for our employees based on the risk. This happen for a risk that right they are protecting for employees. Yeah. Whereas then the second one is what does it mean when codes of ethics says engineers should protect the safety, health, and welfare of the public? How to the welfare provided to the public? That means they are employees, the engineers motivated the proper manner they are working to their company. And what is bribe, and also what is profession and what is professional. And it is purely different. Profession is a work. Professional is the work related, the highly work and highly based on your work related to the highly satisfied manner. It is sincerity and the professional basis they are work. And the work is very good manner. The profession, it comes under the profession that is satisfied of the public also. The second one. The finally, the factual and descriptive inquiry. It is one of the fact finding already. The fact is understanding. Then how to make it a solution. Okay, these are the concept. It is already existing. It is also already happened. So that manner, in this factual and descriptive inquiry, it is based on the this happen in this problem is already happened. Then how to rectify this? That base they are analysis did by that particular engineers or professions of particular professions. Thank you.